Part D commissions are being cut by carriers industry-wide. Are you concerned about the effect it will have on your income? Annuities could be a fantastic opportunity for you to diversify your sources of income, and you've got the book of clients to make that happen.
Yep. And we have the annuity team here at Gordon Marketing to be able to help you with that. We can help you with going over how with case design. We can go over with explaining how illustrations work, how the product will work. Lean on us to be able to help you replace that lost income.
Yes. We often say on the annuity team at Gordon, we want you to see us as an extension of your team. So whether you do annuities all the time and know them very well, or whether you only occasionally do them, you can really use a partner on your team that has their finger on the pulse of the annuity market all the time. And that's what the Gordon Marketing Annuity Team can do. Nearly half of our agents every year are very new to annuities. They're not very seasoned, experienced annuity producers, but they come to us with, I've got a guy, and we help them. We help them find the right solution. We help them understand that solution and like it for their client. We help them understand it well enough to present it to their client, or we can help them present it to their client, and everything else, the suitability, the application, getting the case placed, closed, and then getting paid on it. So, we are that extension of their team.
Yep, you're right, Timmy. And you don't have to be an expert in the annuity market. That's what we're for, to help you with it. You have a large book of business that's potentially being underutilized, and you don't want to miss out on an opportunity to be able to help out your clients with their other retirement areas other than just Medicare.
Right. It's important. What we really want to help you do is not leave money on the table. You've got clients in your book. The average 401k balance with clients is over $200,000. For people that are turning 65, which was a lot of Medicare clients look like, people turning 65, average balances in 401ks are close to $300,000. You've got clients in your book that have that. And the worst thing you could do is have them think that you're their Medicare agent and meet with them one day to help them with Medicare and have them go down the street and have somebody else help them reposition their 401k a couple days later. So don't leave that money on the table, and don't feel like you have to be expert to take advantage of that opportunity. We've got 11,000 baby boomers a day turning 65 for the next few years through 2028. There's a tremendous opportunity out there. And so again, don't feel like you got to be expert in annuities to tap into that market. Start asking if they have money in a 401k, if they're well prepared for retirement, and then come to the annuity team at Gordon Marketing for help.
Yep. And like Tim said, average 401k size is around 300,000. If you put that into a fixed index annuity, the average commission on that's going to be over $20,000. If you're getting close to that in Part D commissions, this is going to easily be able to replace that lost income that you're going to experience.
Right. Yeah. So one of the things that comes out of that or falls out of this idea is two things. One is branding. Make sure that your clients don't think of you as just their Medicare agent or just their PNC agent or just their life insurance agent. Make sure that they know that you can help them with retirement, with long-term care, with 401ks, with Roth conversions. So branding is kind of important. And again, you don't have to be expert in all those areas to do it. We will help you with that part. And the second thing is, if you don't ask them, the client you can be sure will never buy is the one that you never ask. So raise awareness with your clients as you can help them in these areas and reap the rewards from that.
Yep. So with that being said, reach out to anyone on the annuity team, or reach out to your marketer to be able to get help on helping yourself out with annuity sales. And for all things annuity, make sure to subscribe to the Gordon Marketing YouTube channel. Happy selling.